Hi guys, Mark here. I know how you all love to read the highway code, right? It's written in boring, difficult language. But on public roads, you're expected to follow the rules all the time. And on practical driving test, it's one of the core skills you need to master in order to pass. But how are you going to follow the rules if you don't know them in the first place? To help you with that, I decided to start with this new series. Watching just one episode every evening will make sure that by the time you're ready for the test, you know most of the rules. And it's gonna help you fall asleep very quickly. Today we're gonna cover rules 1 to 88. Or actually, we're gonna just skip them. Because that's rules for pedestrians, cyclists, motorcyclists, horse riders, stuff like that. If you're learning to drive a car, it's not really that helpful for you because unfortunately, most of those rules won't be obeyed anyway. So they cover all different aspects of road safety, from staying visible through reflective clothing to suggested behavior. Horse riders, stay away from roundabouts. And that's it for today. Let me know what you think of the series. And if you like the video, please hit the like button. For more videos about driving smarter, please subscribe. Thanks for watching, Mark.